Xiomara Reyes was one of the toughest gals around and one of the toughest gangs around, known as De Leon's Devils. Santiago de Leon, leader of the infamous gang, picked Xiomara as his right-hand woman due to her extraordinary gunslinging abilities. Together, Santiago, Xiomara, and the gang's third member, Valentina Dominguez, robbed banks and caused trouble all over the Wild West. That is until Xiomara met me, Aleta. A beautiful singer with the voice of an angel. Her words, not mine. From the moment we saw each other from across the smoky saloon, we knew we were meant for each other. But there was one small problem. The bandit life didn't exactly leave room for love. Xiomara needed to get out. So one night, she vanished, without a trace, leaving Santiago without his favorite weapon.
Xiomara!
After Xiomara escaped from her previous life, we settled down in the tiniest town we could find and began our new life.
Ready to go home, mi cielo?
Always.
This man would not take no for an answer. Who tries to open a bank account without any identification?
Who was he?
I have no idea. He seemed vaguely familiar. He said his name was Alberto or something like that. I think he just moved here. But I don't know. Something about him seemed off.
Well, mi alma, he's out of your hair now. What is it? She had gotten off her horse and picked something off of the ground. I could barely make out what she was twisting around in her fingers, but it looked like a golden bullet. Xiomara? Xiomara!
Sorry. I thought it was something else.
Later that night, we ate dinner in an uncomfortable silence. Could you get me more water, mi alma? All right! What is the matter with you? You've barely touched your food and have not said more than 5 words to me since you mysteriously stopped on our way home.
It's nothing.
I know. It's something.
I think Santiago is near.
What makes you think that?
On the way home, I found one of his bullets in the dirt. I know it was his. He's not going to hurt you. I won't let him. I promise you I will not let him do anything to us.
Xiomara found herself farther from home than she'd like to be, in a saloon that was crawling with troublemakers. She made her way to the bar and ordered a
whiskey.
Her eyes scanned around the room, looking for Santiago. And she spotted him, leaned up against the corner with Valentina around his shoulders.
Well, Xiomara. I thought we'd never see you again. This calls for a celebration. Valentina, why don't you go get Xiomara and I a drink?
I'm fine.
I insist. How have you been, Xiomara? It's been, 6 months since...
What are you doing here? This isn't your usual turf.
Since you betrayed us. I am doing what I always do. I should be asking you the same question. I thought you wanted out.
I did. And I am. I came to tell you to stay away.
And if I don't?
I will take matters into my own hands.
You were never stupid, Xiomara. Maybe a little at the end, but here you are. Alone. Threatening me.
I know what I'm doing.
You sure?
Just leave us alone.
Here you go.
I should be going, but Valentina, thanks for the drink.
Anytime. But let's not make a habit out of it.
I heard you work at the bank now, Xiomara. Perhaps we'll pay a little visit. And the next time, I won't be so kind.
You better hope there won't be a next time. Break a leg, mi cielo.
Have a great day.
Wait, your scarf is a little crooked. Let me fix it.
See you after work. It was a slow day for both Xiomara and I. It wasn't until closing time did things get lively.
Sir, we're about to close.
I'll only take a minute.
Xiomara studied the man as he walked towards the bank teller. He looked familiar to her. It was the man from before who tried to open the bank account. Alberto, was it? She was going to stop him again when she noticed the golden gun on his hip.
Hey! This is a hold-up. Valentina, tie everyone up.
You never let anyone go, do you?
You're special, Xiomara. You know that.
So, do we get the money now, or do we...
Yes!
Looks like my replacement isn't the brightest.
Shut up!
I've got the money, Jefe.
Let's get out of here, Santiago.
Get a head start. I want to have a word with Xiomara. There's still time to come back, Xiomara. We could kill them both and take off with the money. Ugh. Fine, Xiomara, if that's what you want. You idiots! I told you to get a head start.
We didn't want to leave without you.
I heard the gunshot from the saloon and rushed out. Emerging from the crowd, I saw a wounded Xiomara, gun to the sky, ready for a duel.
What do we do now?
I'm ending this.
Aleta, how did you...
I heard the gunshots. I couldn't let him take you from me, not after everything we...
Shh. You saved me, mi cielo. Give me a moment. I told you to leave us alone.
What about the other two?
They won't be bothering us without Santiago around. Besides, it'd be crazy to mess with you and me again.
Come on, let's go home and take care of that wound.
Wait. Because of you, we're finally free.
We're finally free.